Today I'm going to demo how to create a budget on Azure. So here I am in my portal and I click on subscriptions. I select my only subscription, Azure subscription 1. And from the left hand side blade, I select budgets. Over here, currently I have no budget. So I'll go and create one by clicking on add. And I'll give my budget details. So my name would be my first budget. I'll select a monthly budget and I'll select a creation date and an expiry date. And my threshold amount is $10. So once it reaches a certain amount before $10, it will send me an email. Over here, I can specify that condition. So I'll select actual and the percentage of my budget I'll select as 80, which will mean that I shall get an alert when my spends reach $8. I'll insert my email address so that I can get a notification. And if I want, I can specify another one, but I shall not do that at the moment. I can also create a forecasted budget, which will look at my spending pattern and tell me that I will exceed $10 within the month. It's a forecasted budget. At the moment, I shall not create that. I'll delete that. Just select the actual budget. My language is default and I'll select create. And now it's validating my settings and it will create a budget for me. So I have created my first budget. The period is monthly, creation date, and the budget is $10. So when it reaches $8, I shall get a notification. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me on info@kzcclabs.com.